I think that we're going to figure out some of the things that it's not good for. I do think that this is still a person-to-person industry, and so I think that as the use of this tool is just going to expand, I think it'll eventually reach like a point break of like, okay, this is stupid. We have candidates that are using AI to beat your interviews. We have hiring managers that are using AI to decide on candidates, and so it's AIs talking to AIs. And I think that once we kind of realize that and get to that point, I think that we'll maybe this is wishful thinking on my end, but I think we will find a middle ground at some point. I do think that it's being used in a lot of great ways right now, but I also think that it's being used for some functions it really shouldn't be used for, frankly, right now. So I hope, wishful thinking again, I happen to be a pretty positive person, that in the first 5 years we're experimenting with it. In the next 5 years, we kind of realize like, okay, there are still certain areas of this business where you need to have a human touch. Um, and ultimately, AI is a decision tree tool. It doesn't use judgment. It can't use judgment. And at the end of the day, judgment is the most important thing in this business.